Alright, so as you can see, all of my spinach has been de-stemmed. So now I'm going to get ready to wilt the spinach. So let me scoot this over a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. So again, I'm going to turn on my, my burner. Okay. And I'm going to let my saute pan start to heat up just a little bit. And so one of the other things that you can do is you can go ahead and you can also use frozen spinach. So if you're using the frozen spinach, then you would only probably need about a cup of the frozen spinach. And the thing about that is you want to make sure that it thaws out really well first. And then after it thaws out, then you can squeeze it. Then you can go ahead and take it and give it a quick little saute in your pan. So as you can see, my pan is getting a little bit warm. So I got it on about a medium heat. And grab my large spatula. And now I'm checking to see if I can feel a little bit of the heat right by the pan. And so now my pan is nice and hot. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my spinach and toss it in. And now you should be able to see that it's, turn it just a little bit. You should be able to see that it's starting to wilt just a little bit. And so remember, on wilting the spinach, you're just letting your spinach get nice and hot. And we're doing it just enough so that it starts to turn where it's turning that bright green color for us. And you should be able to hear that that is sizzling up really nice. And so now you should be able to start seeing the spinach is starting to shrink a little bit. And so then if you're doing a bigger batch of this, just make sure you have a big enough pan that all your spinach will fit in there. And then once your spinach fits in there, it will go ahead and it will shrink down a lot. Okay, so you can see that there's a little bit of steam coming off. And again, you can see that all the spinach is so now you should be able to see that. And so I'm going to go ahead and remove my spinach from the pan. I'm going to place it back into the bowl.